Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to do we're going to answer a question from a gentleman named Yang Shen in Wilmington, Delaware. He says, I was in a car accident and I need a rental vehicle because my car is being repaired. Who's supposed to be paying for the rental vehicle? The answer is there's three different ways that rental vehicle can get paid, not including you coming out of pocket to pay for it. Number one is that your insurance company could pay for your rental vehicle. And so if you were in an accident, I think that what you want to do is you want to pull out your declarations page for your automobile insurance policy, and you want to see what you have in the way of rental coverage. In fact, if you're not in an automobile and you're watching this video, now might be a good time to pull out your declarations page on your auto insurance and see what you have in the way of rental coverage, because now really is the time before you get in an accident to figure this out. And rental coverage is very, very cheap. It's very inexpensive, and it's something that many people really need when they're in a pinch and they've had an accident. So, Mr. Chen, the answer number one is your auto insurance ought to pay for your rental coverage if you bought that type of coverage on your automobile insurance policy. The second way your rental coverage can get paid is if the at-fault driver's insurance company pays it as the bills are incurred. So sometimes when you're in an accident and the accident is someone else's fault, that someone else will have insurance, and their insurance company may pick up the tab for the rental coverage while you're incurring those bills. They're not required to do that. They're not your insurance company, but sometimes they will do it as a courtesy, and because if they can get you into a rental vehicle and get your vehicle fixed for you, they can save money that way. And so the second route to getting your rental coverage, to getting your rental vehicle paid for, is to look at the at-fault driver's insurance coverage and ask them nicely if they will pay for your rental vehicle. The third way to get it paid is to get the rental. If they won't voluntarily pay for it, if no insurance company will voluntarily pay for it, you get the rental, you put it on a credit card, and when it comes time to settle your personal injury claim against the at-fault driver, we deal with the at-fault driver's insurance company, and we include the charges for the rental vehicle, because the at-fault driver is responsible not only for your personal injuries, but also for all damages that flow from their carelessness or their recklessness or from the accident. And so if you have a situation where someone else caused your accident, you needed to get a rental vehicle as a result of the accident, that individual's insurance company should have to pay for your rental coverage, and that's something that we can include with your personal injury settlement when it comes time to make a claim for your personal injuries. I hope that answers your question. Hopefully, you'll be able to get the rental coverage you need, get your car repaired, get back in action ASAP. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and thank you for watching.